What are the characteristics that make a supplier a fantastic partner for Wayfair? My name is Heather Roberts, and I'm the co-founder of RSG Sales. We work with home decor and furniture suppliers and help them grow and build their e-commerce sales channel with accounts like Wayfair or Overstock or Walmart.com or Home Depot and others. So what are the characteristics that a successful partner and supplier at Wayfair need to have? It begins with acceptance and participation, moving on to a broad catalog, followed up by having stock in that catalog, making sure that you have great imagery, you participate promotionally, and you have a competitive retail. We like to say that you need to be fully on board with a customer, especially one like Wayfair. And what I mean is you need to accept the rules of doing business with them. They're not going to change. So either you adapt and you participate and you accept the rules of engagement and how to be successful on that platform, or not. It's really very simple. So as long as you keep that in mind and you fully embrace the way that they do business, you will have the first of a big hurdle to, that you've gotten over. You're a successful partner if you accept and understand the rules of doing business. Next, it's important to have a broad catalog because let's face it, 5 or 20 items is not going to help you get up in the algorithm. In fact, you need to have at least 100 different SKUs in order to make sure that you can have a broad enough product base. Remember, there are over 12,000 suppliers on Wayfair currently. So we want to make sure that you have a broad enough selection that is able to compete with the other 11,999 suppliers out there. But I think even more important is you have your broad selection of your catalog, but if you don't have stock in it, then you have no product to sell. So make sure you stay in stock on the 20% of your products that do 80% of the business, because almost every single solitary supplier out there has the 80-20 rule. Also, you need to make sure you are following the best practices in imagery. And for that, you want to have an outstanding silhouette image. That's where you have a picture of the product on a white background. You need to have at least one lifestyle picture. You need to have close-ups of product details or unique features. And last but not least, it really helps to have a dimensional drawing. It helps the customer understand the scale of the product that sometimes they tend to forget when they just see a lifestyle. And then we want to make sure that you are participating in all of the promotional opportunities that you can, because let's face it, Wayfair is a promotionally driven platform. E-commerce in general is a promotionally driven platform. So you need to be very active in their promotional planning, and you have to have a strong calendar to support it and inventory to support that. Last but not least, competitive retail pricing. If your retail is not in that sweet spot, then you're hurting your business. So that goes backwards. You have to also make sure your wholesale is appropriate, that you're not taking advantage of some things. So you need to make sure that your wholesale price lands at a place where the retailer, in this case Wayfair, can set a competitive retail. If you have any other questions, I would love for you to jump over to our website, rsgsales.com, and click one of those buttons and you can take an e-commerce assessment, or you can just book a call with us. Either way, if you're watching this on YouTube, I'd love for you to follow us on YouTube and comment below if you have any other questions. All right, have a great day.